Good evening friends, I'm Sasmita Malik. Today we are going to discuss about paragraph and character style Adobe InDesign software. Today we are going to discuss about a few points. Those are 10 points. In those 10 points, what is character and paragraph style? Number 1. Number 2, style panel overview. Number 3, add paragraph and character style. Number 4, import style from other document to here as MS Word style. I bought it to here. Number 5, apply the styles. Number 6, edit character and paragraph styles. Number 7, delete character and paragraph styles. Number 8, override character and paragraph styles. Number 9, convert style bullets and numbering to text. And number 10, find and replace character and paragraph styles. We are going to discuss today. So let's start. First is overview. So a character style is a collection of character formatting attributes, and that can be applied to text in a single click or single step. And when we are going to discuss about the paragraph style we can find both character formatting and paragraph formatting. Both will be applicable in the paragraph style. When you are going to the character style and the paragraph style, the basic difference you can find out. In character style we cannot find any default style, but if you go to paragraph style you can find a basic paragraph, and this basic paragraph cannot be renamed or cannot be deleted. We cannot delete a basic paragraph. Let us start with the character style. So I'm going to click on the character style. You can go to, if I am closing this one also, you can go to the type, and here character style and paragraph style are available. Our shortcut is shift plus F11 or F11. Any one you click, both character and paragraph, both panel will come. I'm just bringing the character style, and I'm clicking on the new character style, create a new style. So while I'm clicking the create a new style, I can find out a character style here. I can name by double clicking here. I can give a name. By opening character style also, inside also I can give a name. I'm giving a name here, just heading 1. So and I'm double clicking here. Automatically the panel is of option style options is coming. Here heading 1 is given. Based on general, nothing, I'm not giving anything here. Basic character format, I'm giving a font family, font size, I'm giving a font family like Arial. Font style I'm giving as a bold. Size I'm giving as a 24. And leading tracking position, change case also can give small cap, all cap, I'm giving small cap. Then I'm coming to the advanced character formatting. Here horizontal scale, vertical scale, all these things you can give it. So I'm not going to touch here. I'm clicking on the character color. Character color I'm giving, selecting here this one, character color. You can choose by clicking here also, can bring multiple color, different colors also can bring. Then I'm clicking on the open type feature. I'm not going to alternate dictionary. I am not going to touch here anything. Underline option, if you want to give a underline you can give the weight. Type mean various kind of thick, solid, dotted, wavy, so many type of underline is that you can choose anyone. Strike through option also can choose anyone by going to here and by going to weight 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, anything. And export tagging also can go. If you are exporting your document for e-publication or HTML file, then you can go to the export tagging. I made the basic correction here and basic changes I made here. Then after that I'm clicking here, click on OK. Right now my heading 1 style is came to my panel. So I'm coming to here to my document. It is already few pages document is made. I'm selecting, it's already given, it's already given, I'm giving to heading 1. Okay, then let's come to the, so it is heading 1 is there. Then I'm clicking another heading, I'm clicking another style, again click on the character style. I'm giving here heading 2, and in this heading 2 I'm giving Arial and font weight bold. Size I'm giving here 18, and change cases I'm not giving anything, I'm just giving normal. Okay, and color, going to the color part, green color, this one. Then rest of things I'm not going to touch, so I'm click on OK. Then I'm just coming to here, paragraph style, clicking here and giving heading 2, and character style attribute, giving heading 2, and next style I'm giving heading 2, overview I'm giving heading 2. So like this I'm giving so many options here, paragraph, character style. So I'm giving heading 2, open paragraph style format, character style format, I'm giving heading 2. So I made some changes here by choosing the heading 1, heading 2. Right now I'm going to the paragraph style. So paragraph style I'm clicking here. So here basic paragraph is there. I have to create a new paragraph. You can double click here also. You can see the basic paragraph. All the content part will come as basic paragraph. So I'm going to basic paragraph format. Menu and Pro is there. I can change basic character format to Arial, regular, 12 point, okay, fine. Rest of things, advanced character formatting, indent, spacing, tab, paragraph rules, nothing I'm going to change anything. Paragraph settings, paragraph border, ruler, hyphenation, justification I'm giving here full justify. Okay, so clicking here, okay. So see here, all the contents are changed to Arial with the basic justification. All the basic formatting is done. Okay, so I'm creating here new paragraph style. I'm clicking here for here paragraph style. I'm giving here para 1 basic formatting. Let to be I'm giving a little bit different font. Shift font I given here, regular, okay, regular, 12 point, okay, fine. So I'm going to the advanced character formatting, basic, indent, okay, paragraph rule, border, justification, full justify, character color, span, columns, single columns, okay, total document is in single column. So I'm just coming to the bullet numbering is not required right now, so I'm coming to the character color. So character color I'm giving here this blue color, so I'm clicking on the OK. So this is the para 1 formatting I given here. After this, next point we are going to start is we already discussed about character and paragraph style, style panel overview, add paragraph and character style. Then one point I missed here, apply the styles, edit character and paragraph style, delete a paragraph and character style also you can do. How to delete? Now just select the style, click on the delete option. It will ask you replace with basic paragraph or what you want, no paragraph style, so you can click any one. So I'm going to basic paragraph. Okay, so see right now it deleted. At the same time the basic paragraph whatever options I given, the same option is applied to here, deleting part. I'm just doing undo, control J. I don't know how to delete right now. I'm going to start with the, so here is a convert word style to InDesign style. So how to convert one style to another style? It means I'm bringing the MS Word style to the InDesign style. Mean I'm importing MS Word file to here with the style. So how to do that one? I'll just go to that. See here, I'm just coming to the last document. I'm going last of the page. Then I'm going to file. Then here one option is that place. I have to place, right? Place, where is that? Now I'm giving the InDesign MCQ. Okay, InDesign step by step. Click on the open. So you can find out right now the total InDesign file is coming here, right? And with the specific a style. So it is the by default it is the style of, I think this one is taken. Okay, basic character style it is taken. Heading 1 taken, yes, right. So for that purpose I have to select the complete part. I have to select. Then I have to click on the this one down. So we see that style format is changed to here. Okay, so this is the use of bringing a environment style to here and convert the word style to InDesign style. This is the point here. Then another point is the convert style bullet and numbering to the text. So how to convert a bullet and numbering to a text format? See here I given so many steps are there. So here numberings are there. So this numbering I am going to convert to a text format, not a, it is a, see, it is right now a bulletin, right? This bulletin I'm going to change to a text format. So let's go to click on the type. Then here one option is there, you can find out bulletin numbering list. So here one you can find out here convert bullet numbering to text. Just I'm clicking that. Right now see, this is not a bullet numbering, this is just normal text. Okay, so like this way also you can convert. Then another few points is there, override character and paragraph style. So how to override a character and paragraph style? I'm doing control J, yeah, let to be here. So I'm just selecting this text format here. Then here one option you can find out override highlighter. If I click this one, so wherever the bullet numbering is there and wherever the heading is there, where the steps are there, those parts are selected in the same document as the override rules, override character and paragraph style. So this paragraph and character style is overridden by going to here. Again you click in that, it will be go. The last point is that find and replace character and paragraph style. So how we can find a character or paragraph style, and then the same character and paragraph style, how we are going to replace to another character and paragraph style. So it is a very important point here. Let's go into edit. You can find out edit, and here one option is that find and change, right? So click on the find and change. So how to find a character style and or paragraph style, or both character and paragraph style, and change it to another character and paragraph style, that part we are going to discuss here, right? Here find what, change to, these two options no need to touch. Just come to here, find format and change format. I want to change and find the format, and that format is the style. Alright, that may be a character style or that may be a paragraph style. Okay, so I'm just clicking here. You can click here also, or you just click here, automatically come. I am just going to change the paragraph style. So paragraph style, I'm clicking here, what now, para 1, right? So find para 1, click on OK. Then come to here, I want to change para 1 to basic paragraph, right? Okay, click on. And this basic paragraph I want to change few formats. Font family should be Franklin Gothic book, regular, okay. Font size will be 14, okay, good, okay. Then click on OK. After doing the changes, I have to click on change all. This is the important point. So I'm clicking change all. Okay. So here search completed, to replacement done. Click on OK. And click on done. See here you can find the changes here. This part, right? I made here changes part of the paragraph style. You can do the same thing for a character heading, as I given two heading part, I given heading 1, heading 2. That part also you can change it here also. Let's we'll discuss that one also. So here heading 1, heading 2 is there. So this one is heading 1 and this one is heading 2. Okay. I'm going to change a heading 2 to a different heading. I'm just clicking again. I'm going to edit. I'm going to find and change. Here I'm going to change what? Now character style. Character style I'm going to change the, I'm going to change the heading 2. Heading 2 will be basic paragraph. Okay. Here heading 1. Here no paragraph. You have to give the basic paragraph. Okay. Click on OK. Click on change all. So you see here all the 7 points are changed here. Done. With what changes I did? Now I applied both the character style and paragraph style, both I applied. That's the reason character style, paragraph style, both style changed to the heading part. So this is the use of the find and replace of character and paragraph styles. So today we discussed here about paragraph and character styles, and in this paragraph and character styles we discussed 10 points. In those 10 points we discussed about what is character and paragraph style, number 1. Number 2, style panel overview. Number 3, add paragraph and character style. Number 4, import style from other document to here as MS Word style. Number 5. Apply the styles. Number 6. Edit character and paragraph styles. Number 7. Delete character and paragraph styles. Number 8. Override character and paragraph styles. Number 9. Convert style bullets and numbering to text. And number 10. Find and replace character and paragraph styles. So all those 10 points we discussed here. Thank you guys. So hope so it will help you for knowing all the details about the character and paragraph style, and stay connected for our next session, next tutorial, and please subscribe it to get in touch with us